Good morning, students of grade 3rd. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. We are doing Exit Maths Student Workbook Volume 1. Today we will start as 4 of Block 7 on page number 35. Today's date is 1st of September 2020 and we are doing this work in our classwork. S4 is forming shapes using tangrams. Okay, tangram is a Chinese puzzle that have 7 pieces. Question number 1. Which two pieces in a tangram are of the same size or shape? If we see our tangram, we got two equal shapes and both are triangles. Two pieces in a tangram are of same size. Both triangles are of same size. Okay, so two big triangles are same in size and shape. Okay students, now question number 2. Use a tangram to form each shown figure. We have to show this figure with our tangram. Draw lines inside each figure to show your answer. Okay, so we have two slant line, and which shape have two slant line? We have two shapes in tangram, parallelogram or triangle. Okay, both have slanting line. Which slanting line will suitable on this? So we will draw this one. So this one is suitable because this look like this. So with the help of this we will draw a line. Okay, next we have a shape. This one is a shape. Two standing line and one sleeping line. In which shape we have two standing line? Yes, this shape. Which shape is this? This is square. So this shape is looking like this. Yes, so we can draw this one with the help of this. Okay, so this is a square. Next shape we will draw in this. Okay, this one, two slant line. In this two slant line we have. Okay, in this shape we have two slant line, and in this, which one is suitable of in this? Yes, this is look like this. This one is looking like this. Triangle. So we will draw with our triangle. Okay, so this one is triangle. Is this okay or not? Yes, this one is okay. Next we have, in this, if we see this shape, one slant line and one sleeping line. One slant line and one sleeping line. Okay, so in this, if we put this, no, this one is not suitable, so we will put this. In this we have, this one is our slant line and this one is sleeping line. Sorry. Okay, so if we put like this, one slant line and one sleeping line, and we will draw. Okay, this one is shape of triangle. Now next turn is, can we draw this line like this? Then we will got two triangles. So we will took a small triangle. Okay, and we will draw with this. Okay, so our object or picture is completed. This picture is of a board. Next we have B. In this picture we have to draw one slant line and one standing line. Let's see. This one is looking like this. One slant line and one standing line. And this one is also looking like this. So is this suitable or not? We have to find out 7 pieces. So can we draw? If we draw this one, so we will got two shapes. And if I draw with this, we will got 3 shapes. So can I draw this? Yes. Okay. Next also we have slant line, standing line. Which one is suitable? Yes, this one. No, because we have 2 slanting line in this, and in this we have only 1 slant line. So can we draw this one? This is square. If I draw in this, 1 sleeping line, 2 standing line, 1 sleeping line, 2 standing lines. So can we draw this one? Yes, we can draw. So we got a square and 2 triangles. Next, this one. So we have in this a 2 slanting line and 1/2 sleeping, one slanting line and standing line, and this one is sleeping line, and one slant line, half slant line. And in this can we see one standing line, one sleeping line, and half slanting line. Can we draw this one or this one? In this picture we have one standing line, but we don't have here sleeping line. So this is not suitable, and we will draw with this. Okay. Yes. So this one is our a triangle, and if we see this and this, 2 slant lines and both are meeting. In this picture if we see, we have only one slant line and another slant line we don't have in this, and in this side we have standing line, and we want 2 slanting line. In this we have 2 slanting line. No, we have standing line and sleeping line. So is this suitable? Let's see. If I draw this one, so we got a triangle and we got a shape of cat. Okay. Next question 3, we have form a rectangle by using a tangram. We have to make a tangram. So let's make a tangram. To make a rectangle, we want 2 small triangle. This one is small triangle, and this one we have small triangle. Both are 2 small triangles. Okay, and now we want a square. We want a square. So this one is our square, and we got a shape of rectangle. We got a shape of rectangle. Okay. Yes, students, do this activity and this one at your home. You will enjoy with this activity, students. These are tangram. Yes, students. Bye bye.